jaw, a, passenger, paw, a, consonant, vowel, saw, e, no, consonant, vowel, consonant, jaw, consonant, a, vowel, cv, cvc, cv. Okay, imagine, imagine, e, mo, a, ima, jaw, e, no, imagine, e, vowel, mo, consonant, a, vowel, jaw, consonant, e and no, vowel consonant. Likewise, ability, a, bo, e, a, b, law, a, to, e, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, like this. You need to remember the technique. First, words, English words, then phonetic transcription, then accordingly you need to place and structure. More examples. This one. Sudden, S-U-D-D-E-N. Transcription. Saw, a, do, no. Saw is consonant, a is vowel, do is consonant, no is consonant. Collection. Collection. Co, a, law, a, co. Collect, shaw, no. Collection. CV, accordingly. Degree, D-E-G-R-E-E. Do, E, go, dig, means consonant, vowel, consonant. Raw, one second consonant, E, vowel. Indicate, I-N-D-I-C-A-T-E. E, no, do, E, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Co, consonant. A, to. A is diphthong and to is consonant. Phonetics. Phonetics, this particular word is important. Phonetics. For. Now, consonant. A, vowel. To and E. Consonant, vowel. Co and S. Consonant, consonant. And then sociology. So we have come to the end of this particular unit of phonetics. If you have any query, you may ask. Otherwise, I will move on. Just go through the notes carefully. Try to practice, try to remember the pronunciation, how they are pronounced, what are the different sounds, consonant sound, vowel sounds with examples. These sounds are very significant. This will be asked during Viva. Anyway, next. One important thing which we need to know is regarding a report which we have to submit. This report is basically about what we have done during these 3 weeks classes or special seasonal classes. We have got total 6 classes, means 3 weeks class, day 1, day 2, day 3. What we have done, what were the things discussed by the teacher, how reaction of the students, everything. So we need to submit one write up or report. So I have prepared it. You just need to write it down. After writing, you may ask me about your confusion and anything. And if you want to add anything, you can add. But this is the basic or primary thing I have written. You cannot change this one. All right. So this you need to add after completing the assignment section. And before it also we need to give one front page. I will discuss about it later, but first you write down the write up for day 1, day 2, day 3. For example, today is day 3, previous week day 2, and first week day 1. What we have done, etc.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
Just wait. Communication skills in English lab. Write up for special seasonal classes. Okay, first let me tell you what is basically this one. As per the direction given by the West Bengal State Council, special seasonal classes were held for communication skills in English lab like other subjects in online mode for 3 weeks. This is the basic information. Day 1. In the first part on day 1, our English sir discussed the theory question paper in detail and solved our doubts. We got an idea about the marks we can expect from the subject. In the second part of the class, portion from Unit 1 of the subject was discussed. It was basically a revision class for basic common communication problems and solutions. Day 2, what happened? In the first part, on day 2, sir discussed Unit 4 of the syllabus. Non-verbal communication and terms like proxemics, haptics, and kinesics were discussed in detail with explanation and examples with some pictures. In the second half, portions from Unit 3 like note taking, public speaking, presentation were discussed. And day 3, in the first part of day 3, sir discussed Unit 2, Introduction to Phonetics in detail. In this revision class, vowel and consonant sounds, their definition with examples, classifications were discussed. In this interactive class, we asked questions regarding our problems and the teacher tried to solve our queries. But unfortunately, you have not asked any questions. In the second part, sir discussed about what type of questions might come in exam and how to give answer. He also instructed us regarding submission of assignments and write up in due time. The second part we have not yet discussed. Anyway, first you write down these informations, this report, then once again I will discuss.
So for this write-up, we have to attach any kind of front page.
Yes, another front page we need to add. I will discuss those things in detail later. First you write down.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, any question?
So send the assignment which we have to write.
First you write down this one, then everything I will tell you. Assignments have been